In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix the issue where Gmail couldn't find your Google account. We'll walk through a simple process that can help you regain access or resolve this confusion. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is ensure that you've entered your email address correctly. This might seem obvious, but it's easy to mistype even a single character, which can result in Gmail not recognizing your account. Double-check for typos and make sure the domain follows the format of @gmail.com. If you find any mistakes, correct them and try logging in again. Next, check if you're using the right Google account. Many of us have multiple accounts, and it's possible to mix them up. Verify that you're trying to access the right account. You can do this by recalling which account you typically use for logging in, or by checking any stored credentials in your password manager if you use one. If the problem persists, it's important to consider the possibility that your account could have been accidentally deleted. Has someone else had access to your account recently? If you suspect that this might be the case, visit the Google Account Recovery page. Follow the prompts there to attempt to recover your account. This process may require you to verify information specific to the account to prove it's yours. Also, check if your browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not function correctly and could cause difficulties with accessing Gmail. Go to your browser's settings, usually found in the top right corner as 3 dots or lines, and look for the option that lets you check for updates. If an update is available, proceed to download and install it, then restart the browser to see if this resolves the issue. In some cases, the problem might be with cookies or cache data not functioning properly. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to see if it helps. Head to your browser settings, again often found in the top right menu, and navigate to the Privacy or History section. There should be an option to clear browsing data, including cookies and cached images. Select these options and clear the data, then try accessing Gmail once more. Finally, ensure that the Gmail service is up and running. Sometimes service outages can affect your ability to log in. You can check the status of Google's services by going to the Google Workspace status dashboard. If there's a reported issue, it may be a matter of waiting until it's resolved. By following these steps, you should be on your way to resolving the issue with Gmail not finding your account. Hopefully, you found these tips helpful, and you'll be back to emailing in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides.